If the enemy can't take space on your bed, he will try and take space in your head. Some don't eat proper food anymore. Pornography is their daily bread. It's really affecting our generation. Loss of focus and concentration. No motivation. He's waiting for the next opportunity for porn and masturbation. Here's a real woman, talk to her. He can't even have a conversation. What happened? How did he get here? Whenever he felt the urge, pornography was his solution. He didn't realize he was putting his body in confusion. His body was addicted to the fake. It didn't recognize the real. He met an attractive lady. He didn't know how to feel. He didn't know what to feel. There was no desire. She's beautiful. Why am I not interested? Has my brain been rewired? Why is the lady on the screen more appealing? He said, I think I need help. My brain needs healing. My eyes need cleaning. Something is wrong. All these ladies are dressed modestly, but why am I seeing them in a thong? How did I get here? He asked me. Well, I think the line between addiction and non-addiction is very thin. Some say they're not addicted, but they're already stuck in. They're so deep inside, they no longer see the sin. Mind polluted, values diluted. Some are addicted, but they don't know. Some only realize it's an addiction when they hit the lowest of the low. And it's sad because by this point, they can't say no. Someone told me, porn isolates, porn dislocates. Porn separates you from real life relationships because you want to go hide and masturbate. He doesn't want to relate with friends. He just wants to go home. He doesn't want people around. He just wants to be alone. He won't tell you why. He just says, sorry, I can't come. He's addicted to pornography and he feels shame after he's done. If you are this guy, if these messages speak to you, you are not alone. We're all in the same boat. Do you feel like you're drowning? Together, we can help each other float. Do you feel like you can swim? Do you have victory over sexual sin? We need you too, bro. You won. Please help others win. Wherever you are on this journey, please don't stay away. We need each other. We need you, brother. Join us today. See you on Thursday, 9 p.m. If you need the link, please let me know. God bless you. Bye.